Chief gave me 13 million naira for Frank to start all over again. Ha. That useless husband of mine. Should I give him this money? Or should I pocket it for myself? But what if Chief finds out? What if he finds out? But wait a second. Who will actually tell Chief? No. Who would tell Chief that I kept the money for myself? Nobody. I will not give him a kobo. Me, I will not give Frank a kobo out of this money.
Flora, I'm trying to understand you. What do you mean you don't have 50,000 naira? You don't have 50,000, yet you bought an expensive car. I was told you own a boutique and a supermarket. Who's giving you all this money? Which man are you sleeping with? Our daughter can't even pay her school fees, yet you're living a luxurious life. Who are you sleeping with? God help you. Let me catch you with anybody.
I don't even know what to say. Where do I start? Which of the questions do I answer first? You asked who gave me money for my supermarket and boutique. You went ahead and asked who bought my car. And you're also requesting for beauty school fees. I don't have strength to answer all these questions, though. Wazico, honestly.
You don't have the strength, right?
I don't have the strength to answer to all of these questions.
Okay.
Besides, it is not my duty to provide for our daughter's school fees. The Bible made us to understand that a man is the provider. The Bible said it, not Flora. I don't have money.
So what is this? What are we doing? Is this not supposed to be a partnership? Are you not supposed to be a supportive wife? You're driving an expensive car, yet your daughter cannot pay her school fees. You're very wicked.
Hey, you said something. You said something about the man that's this, that. I hope you don't catch me with any man. Have I ever done anything that would warrant you to suspect me? Have you caught me with any man?
Okay.
Has anyone told you that they caught me in a hotel with a man?
We shall see.
And so why are you bringing a man into this?
I'll catch you very soon. Don't worry.
If they beat you from head to toe, can you provide 50,000 naira?
You called me that you have something to say to me.
Yes, Mama. You see, the other day you sounded really down. Your energy was so low. You were really sad because of your business. You said business was slow. You talked and complained about your business. This particular business is giving you stress, Mama.
Thing is, I actually need money to add to my business. And the name, If you can help me with some money, I'll be very happy. Eh? Pico.
Mama, why am I making money? No, tell me, why am I making money? All my money is for you. Eh? If I don't give you money, who else will enjoy this money that I'm making? Yeah, this is how I like to see you now. What's up, you? This is a sum of 600,000 naira.
Hey!
The sum of 600,000, Mama.
Chimo!
Add it to your business.
Abugi mama. Ego bodo yiva. Hey! Nim Kimene, thank you very much. Hey!
I know.
Nah, as I was saying, things are really hard. Eh?
Don't worry. God will provide. God will provide,
It's really
Mama.
hard.
It's such a sad situation that I don't even have any to give to you.
Ogum.
What are you hiding?
Hide!
I saw everything. You're hiding something. What's that?
Where is it?
Flora, is this how wicked you are? Flora, give me a response. Answer me. Is this how wicked you are? Flora, so you have 600,000 naira to give to your mother, but you don't have common 50,000 naira to pay your daughter's school fees. Flora, answer me! You have 600,000 to give to your mother for business, but you don't have common 50,000 to pay your daughter's school fees. God will judge you. Flora, God will judge you! My in-law, you're a wicked woman. Like mother, like daughter. Look at the woman you raised. No respect. No regard for her husband. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank.
Both of you.
Frank, you're beating my mother.
God will judge you.
Frank,
God will punish you.
Frank, you hit me.
God will judge you.
Hey, Frank, even my late husband has never laid hands on me. He said he would walk away. Frank, you hit me. Omona will hear of it.
God will judge both of
They
you.
will hear of it.
God will
Frank,
judge
you
you.
hit me.
God will judge you.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
God will judge you.
And judge you too. Oh man, fighting two women. Hey! Is she the one that is supposed to give you more money to pay for your daughter's school fees? A flave. Why is this man being useless? Is she supposed to give you be ashamed? Hey! She's the one that will give you money to pay for your daughter's school fees. A flave.
Hey!
Nigga!
Mama, why are you shouting my name?
Neka, I'm looking for my money. The money your sister gave to me, 200,000 is missing from it. Where is my money?
200,000. I took it now.
You what?
I took it.
What do you mean you took the money? What for?
Well, that time that sister Flora was kidnapped, I borrowed her husband 200,000 naira so that he can add to the one he had.
How is that my business?
For sister's release now. Now that she is back and she has money. Although I don't know where that money is coming from. But I've taken my money back.
Eh? Taking what money back? Am I the one you borrowed money to? Did you give me any money? Come, let me tell you. Go and bring my money. I have something very important I want to do with that money.
Mama,
don't let me deal with you in this house. What is your problem?
Mama, it's not possible. You know that thing you are saying now is not possible. Mama, if you want your money, you know your way back to the city. Carry the remaining change in that bag. Use it and enter bus. Go to the city and collect your money. Mama, please, I have somewhere important to go. Good day.
Neka! Neka, don't come back to this house without that money, oh. Because this house is not going to contain the both of us. What kind of thing is this, eh? It has gotten to the end. Don't come back to this house without money. You see what I will do to you. Hey! Dare you to this child now, eh? Hey! Oh!
Somebody just dropped you off now. Who was that man?
Biko Frank, you don't own me again.
I don't own you.
I am on my own now.
Are you serious?
I
did
have
I not marry you?
Marry who?
So you've been cheating on me?
I beg.
You cheating on me? Yeah? You've been cheating on me? Are you mad? Are you mad? Come out here. Are you mad? I'm not right. Who was that man? 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 Idiot. Prostitute. Rubbish.
Frank, you slapped me! You slapped me! He's inside. He's inside! Move it! I want to hear him scream! I want to hear him scream! I can't hear him scream, you know! I can't hear him scream! I can't hear him! What? If I slap you now, eh? What?
Dad, get me to Dad.
Were you not there when he slapped me? Were you not there when he slapped me? Your father beats me blue black if I slap him on my face. Hi.
Let's go.
How far?
Done.
Good. I'll send your balance.
Who is it to you?
It's my father.
And who brought him here?
I personally.
So what about your mother?
I don't know where she is. She hired some boys to beat up my dad, but I haven't seen her since then.
I don't understand. You mean your mother hired some boys to do this to you? See me in my office.
Okay, sir.
My God, your story is so sad and so pathetic. And what about your father's parents or even relation? Because your father's condition is very critical and I need an elderly person who I can talk to.
I don't know anybody. I've never been to my father's village since my birth. Some time ago, my father told me that he's a prince and his father is the king of their kingdom. But something happened and his father disowned him.
This is serious. But I need someone elderly I can talk to. Your father's situation is not something you can handle.
But, doctor, will my father be fine?
Well, we'll do our best to make sure that he's fine, okay? His condition is very critical and I need an elderly person who I can talk to, okay? He'll be fine.
Kitty, are you okay?
What are you doing here? Why didn't you come to school today?
Auntie, my dad is in the hospital. He's very sick.
What? What's happened?
Well, he fought to my mom and My mom hired some boys to come beat him up. I don't even know if my dad is alive, but the doctor said he needs to speak with an adult person.
The doctor said that. Okay, you just have to wait here, okay? I need to go in and sort things out so I can follow you to the hospital. Just give me a second, okay?
So please be fast.
Oh, I'm coming, okay? Hold on.
Young lady, who are you and what are you doing, young man?
Sir, my name is Cynthia, beauty teacher and family friend.
Okay. Are you aware they are having issues in the family?
He told me about it, but I didn't pay attention to it because I just felt it's what happens in every family. I never knew it was that serious until the day I saw him on the road and his wife met us there. Doctor, you wouldn't believe the amount of insults this lady rained on me. She was so abusive. Then today I saw Beauty and she explained everything to me. Doctor, please, what exactly is the problem?
Well, you have to help this little girl find the family of the man. His condition is very bad because his spinal cord was affected.
What?
And it warrants him being taken abroad, India to be precise. And that will be costing around 10 to 12 million naira.
Doctor! 12 million naira? Doctor, where are they supposed to get this money from? I mean, how?
Well, that's the only option we have here if he must be saved. But I can help because of the little girl administer some drugs to him from the hospital. But the ones that we don't have here in the hospital, you have to get it outside. And whatever you're doing, you have to be fast about it because he's in a very critical condition.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your contribution. Thank you. But what if we involve the police? I mean, we arrest the lady and she can provide who did this to him, the boys she hired, and also come and take care of the her husband. Is that not a good idea?
Well, if you have money to pursue the case, it's fine. But I would suggest you use the money in treating this man because of the condition. Because some of these policemen out there, they might collect bribe from the victim and squash the case. So I suggest we divert the money to his treatment because of the condition he's in.
Flora, seriously, you went too far. You went too far. What if those guys have killed him? Or what if the police are looking for you to arrest you? Yes! Don't you know that if that man dies, they will charge you for murder case? Or if he survived it, they will charge you for attempting murder. Which is not making sense. Is that what you want for yourself? Seriously, I don't like this for you. You would have just left the house after the fight or quit the marriage. Eh? You know this has been our plan right from day one. What is your problem?
Why are you crying more than the bereaved? Why are you taking Panadol on another's headache? Why? Hey. By the way, who will call police for me? No, who? Tell me. Okay, fine. Let's even assume that it happened. Babe, are you forgetting something? Your friend home money. Your friend is now a millionaire. I go use money cover the case now. I go use money close the case. But 10 million naira will solve everything. I go use 10 million naira. Fling for police their faces. Case closed. Hey, I beg.
What about your daughter Beauty?
Now she sabi. I am the one with the money. Her father is broke. So, your guess is as good as mine. She will come with me. When I'm ready for her, I'll go bundle her out.
And with the way she's close with her father, you think she will listen to you?
Then let her remain with her wretched father. Let her remain with her broke father. I don't
understand. Why do you want to spoil my evening? I beg. It's okay. Enough, please.
Go on. Sorry, oh. Hello?
Okunna gwaragi King's word echikwana ya buwebu. What your father told you, King's word, don't play with it. Makonya gejefi walugwa adirama ino na boketa bolia. On the air and sea, sitting down. Even if you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it. Oburoke when sirida, Bukamboya siato. Mamo, Ejere mpano Jezebel, Monaya Bilio. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. If I'm in my work on if I'm in Tiwa, she's worse than Jezebel. Our wickedness is to Jezebel.
Said you are fine stuff. And your mother did all that to him.
Yes, sir. As it is now, I'm not even sure if my dad is going to make it.
No, my daughter, don't talk like that. Your father must make it. Nothing will happen to him in Jesus' name. Nothing will happen to him. He must make it. Eh? Wait, see. I will follow you people to the hospital now. I want to know his health condition. Okay, then I will know what to do. Just wait for me. Let me change.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
Doctor, please, my name is Eman. That man lying down at that waterfall by name Frank is my best friend. Okay. My daughter and her friend came to my workshop and told me everything that happened. So what do we do? I want to take my friend out of this place.
Mr. Emma, the way you sound shows that they did not actually tell you the problem your friend has.
What happened? I don't understand.
Well, at the cause of the boys beating him, his spinal cord was affected. And it will require him being flown to India for immediate treatment. And that will cost around 10 to 12 million naira.
What? Spinal cord? India? 12 million naira? How can we get that kind of money in this whole world?
Well, that's the only solution. And we need to do something fast. Though I promised to administer the drugs we have here in the hospital for the meantime because of the little daughter. But you need to be flown immediately for immediate treatment.
Doctor, it's okay, I've had you. Thank you so much for your concern. Something must be done. That fool, that woman cannot go scot-free. She must pay for the crime of this thing she committed. Or better still, she must come here and cater for the expenses of what she has caused. What is all this? She must pay for the crime.
Sir, just hold on. Are you even sure the police will do something about it? Can they do something?
Even the police cannot do anything about it, but let it be on record that this incident happened and we reported the matter to the police.
How can we even involve his family? I mean, at least they're supposed to know something happened to their son by now.
That is the problem. I don't even know his place. Though his father is the king of their community. But the problem is that he's not in good terms with his father, and his father disowned him. So you see, there's a problem here. He's not in good terms with his parents. That's a problem.
Okay, fine. Since we can't involve the family, can we just think about something to do now? Like, we need to do something about the situation now.
Something to do. It's alright. We will do something. But the problem is, what is that thing we should do? That is the problem. You can't adopt 12 million naira. Do you have it?
You mean you're not coming with me? You will die here. Oh. You will die in this house. Hunger will finish you. You had better go in there and pack your things and follow me. By the way, what will you be doing here alone?
So this is the reason why you wanted to kill my father? So you could run away? My dad is lying lifelessly at the hospital because of you and those criminals. And all you could think about is running away. You didn't even go and see him. Let me tell you something. If anything happens to my father, any single thing, I will find you. No matter where you're hiding. I will.
Hey, God, I beg. Look at the spoilt brat. You're nothing but a spoilt brat. But you know what? You can die here for all I care. Look at this fool I'm trying to help.
There's nothing you want to show me. After what you did to my father, it proved that you're a devil and a heartless woman. And I don't need your help. I'd rather stay here and die than to follow you. Well, you can call your criminals to come and beat me up, just like you did.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done with you and your stupid, silly, broke-ass father. I don't have time for this your nonsense. Eh? You can stay back.
You call yourself a mother. What kind of mother are you? Oh, you are disappointment to motherhood. You call yourself a wife. Oh, but you're more than a knife. Onye jidori bo. Onye jidori teacher. Her heart is deceitful. Don't dine with her. Okay, Obi danger. Don't play with her at all. Okay, her heart is deceitful. Don't show her love.
Madam Flora, why did you decide to send some group of bad boys to beat up your husband up to the point of taking his life? What prompted your action? Where can we find those boys?
Boys? Me? Sent boys to beat up my husband? Officer, take a good look at me. Do I look like someone who can hurt a fly? Officer, this is totally false. This accusation is totally false. It is shocking to me. It is not true, officer.
Okay, since you claim it is not true, I want to know the truth. Tell me the truth.
Hey, I will tell you nothing but the truth, officer. My husband had some financial problems at some point in our marriage. In fact, his business collapsed. But one of my friends came to our rescue. She took a loan on my behalf. That loan made me open, that loan gave me money to open my boutique and supermarket business. All of a sudden, my husband wanted the business for himself, saying that it's a family business. He wanted the business for himself. Officer, is that fair? But I refused. Then one night, he tried to take the documents by force. I refused. I fought him. I chased him around the house. And in the process of running, he slipped. And something heavy hit him on his lungs. That was how he got the injury. That was how he sustained that injury. I have nothing to do with it, officer. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. That is exactly what happened. Hi.
Madam Flora.
Officer.
If after our investigation I discover that all what you just said are all lies, I will pursue the case. I will personally jail you. This is a promise.
Officer, they are all lies. I am shocked myself. Hey! Officer, the truth is, you don't even need to do any investigation. You don't have to do any investigation again because it will be a waste of your resources. Officer, I would suggest we bury this case because there is no case here. It's a false accusation. Officer, I have something for you and the boys actually. I don't know if you can give me your account number. Let me send you the sum of 500,000 naira. I would like you to do lunch with it.
Well, Madam Flora, I really appreciate it. But I hope you are not trying to bribe me.
No! Bribe? No, officer. I just said it here that I want to do lunch for you and the boys.
Well, I will appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hi.
IPO. To be frank with you, I am not happy with you. I am not happy. Few hours ago, I was passing in front of that woman's shop, that woman's supermarket. I saw her sitting in front of her shop, drinking beer. So that is why we are here, to ask you why you asked that woman to go, without hearing from us. IPO, as I speak with you now, that woman's husband is lying at the hospital, half dead.
And what is the meaning of that? Are you trying to teach me my job? Sir, I can't keep her here more than 24 hours without any evidence against her. If you want me to carry out with the investigation, mobilize me and my men, boost our morale, then we'll do so.
Wait. If I want you to carry out the investigation, I should boost your morale. I should boost your morale. Okay, no problem. So, how much are we talking about?
For the fueling and boosting the team morale, maybe I think it's 400,000.
Eh? 400 what? 400,000 naira.
Please, if you cannot go by it, use the door.
Wait. 400,000 for an ordinary investigation.
No, I should use my salary to do investigation.
No, that money is too much now. The money is too much.
Sir, use the door. I'm done, you can go.
You had him. He said we should go and look for 400,000 for investigation. Ordinary investigation. No problem. But we have to go. Let's go and see what we can do. No
now
problem.
you are talking.
Sir, Abby?
My baby girl. Okay, good.
I'm fine now.
Okay. I like that. You're fine now. Beautiful. That reminds me. I actually wanted to ask you when I called earlier. How about your husband? Did you give him the money? How did he feel?
Chief. Pardon my manners.
You know you.
I ought to have given you a feedback.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright, my love.
Anyway,
Talk to me.
I did as you instructed.
Okay.
But I had to tell him that the money was coming from somewhere. I told him that one of my uncles, who has been away for the longest, came back to the country, summoned all his relatives, and shared huge sum of money to all of us.
Okay.
And he said to me, hey, how do I see this, your uncle? No. This is not a kind of money that someone would give and I don't go to say thank you. I need to see this. I told him, Oga, relax. My uncle has gone back. He was like, oh no. In fact, Chief, to cut the long story short, my husband has traveled to China.
Wow. Nice one. That's all I just wanted to hear. I'm sure by the time the business picks up, he'll be happy with you. You'll be happy. The family will be happy.
Oh no, by the time he comes back. Hey, by the time he comes back from China with his goods, I'm sure he'll bounce back.
Bye.
But I'm not leaving you. I am not leaving you. Even if he becomes a billionaire tomorrow, Chief, I die here. The real Zaddy. I know you won't leave
Bad child. It's okay. So talk to me about your supermarket.
Where do I begin? Chief, sometimes I just take time to walk around my boutique and supermarket. And do you know the thing that keeps popping into my head? Is this Chief Martins a human being? Is he a human being? My mates used to have 10 destiny helpers, but me, God just brought one for me. Bam! And he's changed my life. Chief, you're the best. You're the real Zaddy. The real Odobu. Chief, you're the best thing that's happened to me.
It's okay. Just relax. Anything at all. You want anything, just let me know. Just put a full color. A full color.
I die here.
You die.
I die here.
Cynthia, what do you do about the money the doctor said we should bring for the drugs? He said that he doesn't have the drugs in this hospital. And we need some money for food too.
The school authority gave 100,000 naira. Then I'm going to add 70,000 naira from my own pocket to that. Yes.
That's good. I like that. And I'll add 100,000 from my own pocket. I'll add 100,000. But that's a problem. What would you do about this small girl, Beauty? I think you should take her to your house. At least she will be coming from the hospital, from your house to the hospital. And your eyes will also be on her.
It's okay, so I'll do that. Yes.
Okay. I think, what's the time now?
It's 4 o'clock.
Let's go and see.
Okay, sir. 4 o'clock.
Go to the supermarket department. Tell the cashier to get all the cash ready. We're going to the bank now to fix them. Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
By the way, how much is there?
We have up to 3,580,000.
At least on your shiny eyes like this, you had better count that money properly.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing here?
So, Mom, you're enjoying. My dad is dying in the hospital because of you.
You haven't yet answered my question. What are you doing in my boutique?
Okay, fine. I need some money for Dad's drugs and food. And most importantly, the doctor said his spinal cord got damaged. So, We need money for his treatment. So,
I don't have any money. I don't have any money for your father or you. The only time I will give you a penny is only when you come stay with me. That is the only time you will get a kobo from me. Besides, I am no longer married to your father. So I don't owe him anything. He is not my responsibility, okay? You had better start going before customers start coming. I don't want them to see you like this. Look how unkempt you look. Beauty. Come, let me take care of you. You know what? Hanlele, start going. Leave my boutique. I don't want my customers to see you like this before you tell them you're my daughter. Get out.
Why?
Get out. Now. Go. Look how unkempt you look. What is wrong with this girl? Gosh. Frank, spinal cord game. Hey, you never start.
Beauty, my daughter, how are you? What is the problem? I heard your father had an accident and was rushed to the hospital. How is he now? I hope he's better now. You are not talking. You don't want to talk to me. By the way, why didn't you come to live with your mother? So that you can enjoy life. Eh? Whoever sees you like this knows that you are suffering with that man, your father. Hope to come and live with your mother and enjoy. You don't want to talk to your grandma. Eh? That one is your business. So.
Beauty, come. Where are you coming from?
I went somewhere.
You went somewhere? What about the drugs I told you the doctor said you should get for your father this morning? Eh? Up till now, your father have not taken that drug. Eh? What about that fair auntie and that brother that used to help you? I've not seen them since morning.
They went to work. They don't know about the drugs. But they'll soon be here.
You people should hurry up. You people should better hurry up. It's very risky for your father not to take that drug since morning till this time. I know what I'm saying, no. Ha! I know what I'm saying.
Nurse, please, is there something you can do?
Something like what?
Can you give him the drugs, then I'll pay you later.
You know that I like you. I wish I could. There's nothing I can do, my dear. Besides, they've not paid me this month. Just call them. Call that fair brother and that fair sister and that brother to help you out. Okay? Okay. It is wet.
How much is my dad's drugs?
Around 2,700.
Okay, where can I get it?
Just go down the pharmacy down the street.
Okay,
Thank you. Down the street. Thank God. I'm so happy for her.
what is the meaning of this madness? You want to kill yourself?
I'm so sorry,
Can't
sir.
you look at the road very well before crossing?
I'm so sorry. My dad is actually in the hospital and I was just trying to get him his drugs.
Your dad is actually... What is happening to your dad?
I was actually absent-minded. My dad is very sick and I just wanted to get him his drugs.
Your dad is sick. What is wrong with your dad? Talk to me. What is wrong with your dad? Which of the hospital?
Somewhere down there.
I got the car, let's go. Come and show me the hospital. Are you scared? Come, don't worry, come. Let me. Open, let's go. Doctor, are you trying to tell me that it's why we did all this to him and abandoned him?
The doctor is here, you can ask her. At least she witnessed everything.
Yes, uncle. Everything he said is true. Everything happened before my eyes.
And they said he must be taken to India before he can be well.
Yes.
You know what? I will help him. Though I based in China, but since you, the doctor, said that taking him to India will make him well, I don't have a choice. I will sponsor the trip.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you so much. You never lie. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
It's nothing. Stand up. Stand up. Okay? Stand up. It's okay.
Thank you.
Let's proceed. So,
no problem. I'll make the necessary arrangements immediately.
Alright. Hope you're fine.
Thank you.
You mean the woman did that to her husband? Abandoned him in the hospital to die?
Dad, I'm still in shock. I mean, how could someone who called herself a wife do all that to her husband? Dad, is that not wickedness?
Some women are like that. You just pray not to fall into the hands of such women. But it's okay. What are your plans? What do you want to do now?
Dad, I have decided to help the man. If not for anything, for the sake of his little daughter, who has been crying, suffering with him in the hospital. Huh? Meanwhile, Dad will be leaving for India tomorrow for the treatment, sir.
That's good. I like that. Like I said before, you have my support, full support. Anything you think I can do for all of you.
Daddy, thank you very much for the opportunity.
I'm glad you inherited that from me. A nice one. See, like the Bible says, when you help the needy, the poor, the orphans, the widows, you are lending to the Lord. And anyhow, somehow, He pays you. Beautiful one. It's alright. Since you will be traveling tomorrow, when you're back, I want to see the young man. I want to have a word with him. I want to know him better.
That is not a problem, sir.
Sure. You have a safe trip. I'll see you guys when you come.
Thank you, sir.
These are okay.
Thank you, sir.
I will just see you.
Sir, please, you people should not worry, okay?
Yeah.
And it will be better when you get to India. And meanwhile, we'll be leaving tomorrow. As you can see, it's an emergency. You know, at least don't allow this little girl to feel bored, please. So for that reason, I will drop some money for you guys so that you can be taking care of her.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Please do everything possible to make her happy till her father comes back.
Paul.
Sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And we'll make sure she's fine. We'll take good care of her, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Once more, I want to say thank you for this move you want to make. And I pray that as soon as you people get to India, he will be fine. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
It's fine, perfect. All right.
Please let me get this straight. You mean the woman you married, the one you call your wife, the one you spent your money on, collapsed your business, and even went as far as taking a loan with your own house so she could be released from the kidnappers den. Did all this to you? Carlos, how is it possible?
Well, it's quite unfortunate. I strongly believe she was influenced by one of her friends called Sonia.
Yes.
I mean, my daughter witnessed everything. You can ask her.
Yes, sir, I did.
Sonia.
Yes, Sonia.
It's not like it's any of my business though, but talk to me. This heartless woman you call your wife, what's her name?
Her name is Flora.
Flora?
Flora, yeah.
Flora. Sonia. Please, just a minute. Let me confirm something. I need to check on something.
Dad.
I missed you.
Don't worry. Just sit down.
Hi, Chief.
Chief. This is very unlike you. I mean,
I'm good. I called you here to have one or two discussions with you. I'll go straight to the point. I'll start with the family. How is your family? How is your husband? Lately, you have not told me about his business, and I'm inquisitive.
Chief, my husband is okay. I mean, he's been traveling around the world from one country to another with the 30 million naira on a business trip. And my daughter, she's gone back to school. All thanks to you.
Flora, I'll be specific about this. Did you give your husband the 30 million naira I asked you to give to him?
But Chief, I just told you that my husband has been globetrotting all over the world. And that's because of the same 30 million naira you gave me to give to him.
Yeah.
Yes. He's been importing things from all over the world. From China, Germany, a whole lot, Chief. And like I said, all thanks to you. So yes, the answer is yes, I gave him the 30 million naira. Not even a dime was remitted out of that money. Everything was given to him.
Yeah.
It's all right.
But Chief, I really don't understand the sudden, interest you have with this money, because the other time you...
Son, you can come in. Mr. Frank, is that the woman we'll be talking about, your wife?
Yes, that's Flora, my wife. And that's her friend.
I want to ask you, in his presence now, did you give him the 30 million naira I asked you to give to him to boost his business?
Yes or no? 30 million naira?
Yes.
You gave her?
Gave her 30 million naira to assist the business.
And she hid it from me?
She's yeah.
No.
Is that difficult to ask? You just told me yes. I wanted to say it in his face.
I'm sorry, Chief.
30 million naira.
No.
Yes. She told me that your business crumbled because so many things happened. And I gave her 30 million to assist your business. See, we are friends. I bought you a very beautiful and expensive car. I did all I could to assist you and your family. And I gave you such amount of money to give to him, and you healed it. Now, I know I didn't give you the money to start in your boutique and your supermarket. I want to know where you got the money from. If you got a loan from the bank, I want to see the documents with which you secured such a facility. Otherwise, I have every reason to believe that you and your friend here have a hand in the kidnap saga.
No, Chief, not at all. I can't do such a thing to my darling husband. I didn't do it.
Excuse me.
I can't possibly be a part of a kidnapping syndicate. It's not in my character, Chief. Yes, I agree. I messed up by not giving him the 30 million naira. But kidnapping, I can't, Chief. You see something? Chief, I didn't do it.
It's okay, we'll find out.
I didn't do it, Chief. Chief, we didn't do it.
It's okay. Hello. Please, you can come in now.
Believe me,
Good day, Chief.
Yes, you're welcome. See, officer, I want you to take these two ladies to the police station and get them thoroughly investigated. I have every reason to believe that they have a hand in the kidnap case.
No, Chief, no. Maybe I did not.
Excuse me,
I didn't do.
Inspector John. You're under arrest, and you have the right to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Move it. Hey! Get up!
Chief.
Hey!
Get up.
Chief, it's not...
Please.
Move! I said move! Don't talk! Move, respect yourself. Hey! Get your food, get your food.
Take your back.
Chief, it's not what you think, Chief.
This is... I'll go back to you, Chief. I want you to tell me the exact day you were kidnapped and the day you were released from the den of the kidnappers.
I was kidnapped on 26th of March 2025. That's approximately 1 year and 4 months now.
Okay.
My husband paid the ransom on 16th of April.
Okay.
And that was the exact day I was released.
Okay. So tell me, before the day you were kidnapped, how much was in your bank accounts?
I had 101,000 naira.
101,000. Now tell me, how come the very day that ransom was paid, 140 million naira was deposited into your accounts? Which business did you do that gave you such amount of money? And was your husband aware of such money? Speak! Now let me remind you that I have spoken with your friend Sonia. So don't dare lie to me. Talk!
Officer, you know what? We can sort this out, please.
You can sort what out? How dare you, evil woman? How dare you plot such kidnap against the man you call your husband? How can you be this evil? Now let me tell you, in 2 days' time, you, your friend, and those gang of kidnappers, all of you are going to court. And justice must be served.
Officer, please. Officer, I can...
Officer Chooks! Come and take this tail out of my face! Now!
Okuna Gwaragi Kingswood Echikwana
Cynthia, I know this is quite unusual, but I have to do what I must do. First, I'd like to thank you for your kindness. I'd like to thank you for taking care of my daughter and I. I love her so much. She means the world to me. When she's happy, I'm happy. And guess what? She's always happy around you because you're a good person. And I tell people that when you find a good person, keep them close. Cynthia, will you marry me?
Say yes, say yes. Yes. Yes, yes.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful one. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I'm indeed very happy for you today.
Thank you, Chief.
I must say this is the day the Lord has made for you.
Exactly.
And we're all grateful here.
Right.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Like I said before, everything is coming back to you right now.
Right.
The court case was in your favor.
Right.
You've regained everything that was stolen from you by that heartless woman. I'm happy for you. I'll say it 1,000 times. This is a lesson every young man should learn out there. You don't just marry because of beauty.
Right.
I believe Mr. Frank married his ex-wife because of her physical beauty. Obviously, she is a beautiful woman, and I know Mr. Frank was carried away. It's a lesson every young man must learn. You don't marry physical beauty. You marry character. Marry the inner heart. Having said that, while we were talking earlier, you told me about the Igwe, your father.
Right.
I want you to go back to her. Yeah. You go home, ask for his forgiveness, and obtain his blessing for this new home you're about to build. And I'm sure he will forgive you. He's a father. And before you go, I can do and I will do everything within my power to assist you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dad.
In line with that, I'm going to give you a letter, a personal letter addressed to Igwe. Try to explain so many things you may not be able to explain to him, or he may not believe. And I'm sure when he sees the letter and you apologize to him, everything will be back up. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I'm very happy for you. Congratulations. 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 And mother, congratulations. How beautiful daughter. Congratulations.
What your father told you, King's word, don't play with it.
It's okay. We have heard your painful stories. Thank God she and her friend have been exposed. You're welcome back home.
Thank you.
And everything will be fine.
Thank you very much.
You will never go through such thing again. Welcome. Your children are here. Please, forgive your son for their sake. Thank God he has realized his mistake. And I know he will never do such a thing again. Please, forgive him. I'm happy he now has a very beautiful and a very intelligent girl as a wife to be.
Thank you very much, Queen of Umwalo. You have spoken very well. And may the gods continue to guide and protect you.
Sorry, Father.
Please forgive me.
Okuna Gwaragi, King's word, Echikwana Yabuewo. What your father told you, King's word, don't play with it. Makonya Gejefi Walukwa, Adirama, Inuna Boketa Bulia, body and I see. Sitting down, even if you like, climb on top of tree, you can never see it. Oburoke Bwensirida, Bukamboya Siato, Mabo. I brought this upon myself. I brought this upon myself. If I'm in my work, if I'm in Tiwa, she's what just Your wickedness is too much on us. Never where am I?